Welcome to our concept class. Today we shall discuss about a very conceptual thing, that is the sum of an AP 1 to 10. So let's start. So first of all we shall write in ascending order. Here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it be the first AP. Then in descending order 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it be the second AP. So if we will add these two APs, we shall get the 10 number of 11. So the sum of two APs is 10 into 11. So what is the sum of first AP? The sum of first AP is 10 into 11 by 2, that is 55. So we can write as this like 10 by 2 into 1 plus 10. So here 10 is n, the number of terms, then by 2, and a, the first term, is 1, and l, the last term, is 10. So here n by 2 into a plus l. So we derive the formula n by 2 into a plus l, and this is useful in the question in which the first term and the last term is given. We can just put the formula and get the answer. Hope this will help in you understand FP very well. Thank you.